In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access sound and vibration. Now scroll down again. Click on this switcher next to vibrate vocals and this way disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to vibrate in silent mode to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down again. Click on the switcher next to haptic feedback and enable or disable it. If you decide to enable it, you can also adjust its intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!